Today's video is gonna be a quickie. Pun intended, because sex ed channel. Hi, I'm Nadine Thornhill, sexuality educator. Okay, sorry, I am distracted because as soon as I started recording, Albus Dumblecat came in, laid down right between my feet. You cannot see him. He is literally right here and will not move. So I guess he and I are going to be doing this together today. Jeez. This video is going to be a quick one. It is another request I received on Twitter after I did my how to put on an external and internal condom videos. Someone wanted to know how you use a dental dam. Well, luckily using a dental dam is super simple, so we're gonna go through it right now. A dental dam is just a sheet of latex that can be placed over the anus or the vulva during oral sex to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections. As with condoms, the first thing you want to do is you want to check your expiry date. If it is past the expiry date, you are going to throw it away. My favorite thing to do is just throw barriers around my office. Assuming you are within the expiry date, you're good to go. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open your package. Now, most dental dams that I've seen and have used come with some sort of Ziploc situation like this one, which makes it really easy to open. You just open it. Next, you are going to slide out your dental dam. Now, this particular brand comes with a sheet of paper. So if yours comes in a sheet of paper, just open up the paper, take out the dam. You are going to place the dental dam over your partner's anus or vulva. And the trick to using a dental dam is that you want to hold it taut. The more taut it is, the thinner it gets, and the more sensation can be transmitted from your tongue or mouth to your partner's body. You want to kind of find the sweet spot where it is thin enough that your partner is enjoying the sensation that is being transmitted through this piece of latex, but it is not so taut that you can't hold it for any extended period of time. That's going to be different for different people. So for me, if I were using this, my sweet spot's about here. This is comfortable. I can hold this for a while. Next, you are going to have oral sex. I really hope you enjoy it. Oral sex is super popular for a reason. Feels great for a lot of people. So have oral sex. Enjoy. Once you and your partner are finished with your oral delights, you're going to take your dental dam, ball it up, toss it, again, in a trash is my preferred method of disposal. Don't like the floor or the ground, it's gross. And like most latex products, this is probably gonna clog your toilet. So trash can. I think trash can is just always good when we're disposing of stuff. A couple of other things to note about dental dams. In my experience, it is very difficult to find dental dams which are not flavored. This one is strawberry, that's very popular. They also often come in grape and vanilla. Now, if you don't like the taste of synthetic flavor or you have some sort of issue with synthetic flavor, you can also make a dental dam by just taking a condom, a non-lubricated condom, and cutting it up one side and opening it up. Now, the purpose of a dental dam is to create a barrier so that the fluids from one person's mouth do not get onto the vulva or anus of their partner. So what that means is that if you have used a dental dam and you have put your mouth on one side, you cannot flip it around and use it again because that defeats the purpose. And that is how you use a dental dam. As I said, this is really quick and simple, but a lot of people actually don't know how to use one. If you ever have a request for a video you'd like to see, you can always hit me up on my Twitter. If you don't follow me yet, this is my handle. You can follow me. Let me know what you'd like to see. In the comments below, let me know how you feel about flavored sexual products. Some people really love them. Some people are not as much of a fan. I personally sort of prefer my products to be as plain and innocuous as possible, but other people are really here for like the flavors and the scents and the whole thing. So let me know down in the comments below. That's all for now. I hope you have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye.